Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Let's make meat and potato curry today. I'll be making this in an instant pot. To a pot, add in 3 pounds of meat, 2 cups of roughly chopped onions, 1 cup of chopped cilantro, 3 to 4 green chilies, 2 roughly chopped tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of freshly blended ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Switch on the instant pot, press the meat stew button and set it on more. Add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of each cumin and coriander powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, 5 pieces of cloves, 3 to 4 pieces of cinnamon sticks, 1 tablespoon of salt or to taste. Give it a mix. Close a lid and cook this until the meat is tender. Over here I have got few baby potatoes peeled and washed. To the potatoes add half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of oil. Give it a mix. Cook them in a microwave for 4 to 5 minutes or until tender. Meat is tender. Give it a quick mix. Now add in the cooked potatoes. Give it a mix. Press the meat stew button on an instant pot and set it on less. Saute for 3 minutes and then close the lid and cook for 3 more minutes or until the fat separates. Okay friends, the fat has separated. This is ready to be served. Hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. Please like, subscribe and share. I'll see you back soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.